So we've got fresh sardines, beautiful oily fish, really lovely, nice fresh ones, eggs in a tomato spicy sauce, a fish shakshuka, if you know what shakshuka is, but this is really, really delicious. Let's get moving. Okay, so let's get moving on this one then. So our sardines are here, look. Now my sardines, the head's been taken off and they've been gutted out, but quite frankly, if you don't gut them and leave the head on, they're fine. You don't have to do that. So I've got like a kilo there, like a couple of pounds of sardines, fresh sardines, beautiful, nice oily fish. 4 tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato, 1 onion cut small, 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then I've got some dried red chili there. And then 2 teaspoons of cumin and 2 of chili powder. That's about it. We're going to start this off now with some oil. Add a couple of other bits. It's delicious, this one. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of skillet or pan. I've got my cast iron one on the go today. Now in there I've got olive oil and I've not been shy with it. It's quite a lot of oil for this one. In goes the onion, the dried whole red chili and the garlic. Now I've just put this heat on. I want to get it going and we're going to cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, these are cooking really, really nicely. At this point, we're going to drop in the chili and the cumin. I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper, and then I'm going to add the tomatoes. Like I said, try and use a nice, ripe, juicy tomato. It's really what we want. And we're going to cook these right down, so like 6 minutes now. Now, by the way, we're on an above medium heat, but we really want to cook these out and hopefully we're going to get some moisture from them. Hence, you need to use nice, ripe, juicy tomatoes. So as you can see, these tomatoes have really cooked down nicely and we've got a little bit of moisture or water from them. Now I'm going to add a little bit more water to mine. That's a nice consistency. And then I'm going to let it go again on this above medium heat for about another 3 minutes or so. Lovely. So we've been on an above medium heat. We're now going to go to just below a medium heat and we're going to grab our sardines and we're going to drop them in. And like I say, these ones have had their heads taken off and they've been gutted, you know, but you don't have to do that. You can just put sardines in whole if you want. So wonderful. And these are quite big, these sardines as well, by the way. You can get them much smaller than that. Okay, so lid's going to go on. No need to touch it now, just let it go for about 4 minutes. So that's about 4 minutes. Off comes the lid. Next up, we're going to add eggs. Now what I do is I put each egg in a separate little container first. I crack it in there because it will be a disaster, wouldn't it, if we crack an egg in and it wasn't a good egg. So here you go. 1, 2, 3. And my last one, I'm just going to put 4 in this. You could put more if you wanted. I mean, you kind of want 1 egg, I suppose, don't you, for each serving. And then some chili powder just on the top there, on the eggs. Lid's going to go back on, and I'm going to put this onto a simmer now. So nice and low. Depending on how you want your eggs. I like mine quite hard. I don't like them runny, so you can do it how you want. I'm probably going to be 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. We're done. Let's get the lid off. And that is looking absolutely beautiful. Only one more thing for me. Some fresh cilantro or coriander on there. And that's it. Well done. You've got a lovely, oily, fresh sardine fish there with some eggs, tomatoes, with some spicy sauce in there. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. We will see you soon. lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's going to shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.